Hey guys, good morning. This is John Lee Hilliard from JT's Vending, joined today by Charlotte Hilliard. Hey Charlotte, say hello YouTube. Hello YouTube. We're doing a video today to show you guys essentially our process for when we're restocking our vending machines. Essentially following me around all day to see what I'm doing, how I'm doing it. So it's yes, there's more cars. So my process starting out, I loaded the car this morning with the product that I needed in the back, and got my son to school because it's raining, and I'm obviously taking my daughter to daycare. And then after that, I'll stop by the store because I have to grocery shop for the week. So we live on a budget. So I'll go to the grocery store, buy a certain amount of items that we need for the week. And then as I'm buying the groceries for the house, I'll go ahead and grab a few items for the vending machines. So after that process, I'll head to I like to go out to my furthest location so I can work my way back towards the house. So as I'm coming home, I'm knocking out the locations toward the house and then just jump on the interstate and voila, I'm at home. So it's about a 4-hour process depending on traffic. What is it? No, that's the cleaning bucket to wipe the glass off the machine. You can't have that, Charlie. But anyway, so guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Catch you guys later. Enjoy. Say enjoy the video. Hey guys, all right, so my daughter and my son, everybody's at school, and now I'm stopping by the bargain hunt in Bartlett because my wife informed me that they had some Gatorades on. But I came here, so I also sell these in my vending machine. I think they're about $2.50, something like that. So these little macaroni cups for $2, $2.50 or something like that. So again, I told you guys in the last video that if you come to a bargain hunt or any kind of bargain store, you do that November 30th, 2023. Nah, but that's too close. One, it's November already, and two, you don't want to purchase something and the product goes old in your machine. Now the macaroni cups, they do move pretty quickly, but I don't want to take that chance of someone purchasing something out of my machine and it's old or out of date. All right, guys. So right now I'm here at Sam's Club on Highway 64, and I've been looking for these freaking teas. They kept running out, so I just bought a crap ton of them, more like 5 cases. So that'll hold me over. And they're running about $15.98 per case. So I'll place these today. I'll place these now, and then come back when I have more room, and then I'll stock up on the items that I need for more than likely the remainder of the month. So again, I'm out grocery shopping, and I'm shopping for our vending machines. Just trying to make sure that I maximize the time that I'm out, and I'm not spending too much time looking and searching for product. And this is my process. You don't have to follow it, but it's just easier to get the product, have it stored, and then when it's time to restock, go restock and not have to focus on product. All right, guys, I'm at my one of my locations, and as you can see, I sell chicken noodle food, like those meals at the bottom, microwavable meals, pies, chips, stuff like that. And this is normally what we stock, but I have some custom chips and like some special requests of chips coming in for some customers. But this is typically the stuff they like, along with the noodles. And as you can tell right now, I'm currently restocking my soda machine. I left some product at home that in the storage that I thought I would need, like the Gatorade. I was like, well, I may not need them now because I just filled these up all the way to the top. This drink machine is a Dixie Narco 501E. It holds 501 sodas, and I just filled this up. And they kill these Gatorade in the can. But I filled up what I could, like the Coke. I got to keep the Coke and Sprite. I normally have those on tap at home. I just stock up. But so far, this is what I have. And as you can tell, I'm sweating because I was trying to load pretty quick. I still have some leftover items. And I'm taking those items to the next location that I'm headed to now. Trying to hurry up so I can enjoy the rest of my day. But guys, when you go into these locations that you have, please try to make sure you're respectful. Just be kind to people in general, and that tends to help my business do a whole lot better than most because I'm not rude. Someone missing lost $1 or $2. I say, okay. Only reason I ask them what selection is because I'm trying to make sure, I'm trying to know when I go back to my machine, I test that selection. So I won't keep doing it. So be kind, be polite to people. They want their money back. $1, $2, just give them their money back. And just go on from there. But you can always keep in mind, okay, if this same person coming to me with losing $2 every 2 days, then no, we got issues. So if you have the credit card show you, you can track every transaction on every day of any time with those bad boys. They come in handy to help you keep track of things. So again, be kind, be respectful. I gotta roll. Catch y'all in a minute. All right, guys. Sorry about that. Another thing that I do when I come to locations, I go in the receptionist office because I tell guys if anybody has any problem with our vending machines, I tell them to leave a sticky note or something with the receptionist, or put a sticky note on the vending machine. And when I come in, if I can't catch them, I'll leave the cash or their refund with the receptionist office, and they can go in there and get it. So that's something that I do, and it's just beneficial for me to make sure the customers are satisfied and feel like they're being heard when they have issues with the machine. You can also try that tip. All right, guys. So right now I'm doing a motor test on location number 5, which is the Mountain Dews. I went into the office. I went into the office and they said that they were having problems. One guy had a problem with a Mountain Dew, trying to get a Mountain Dew. So right now, I'm running a motor test, and then I just put it back in there, just trying to see where is it jamming up, and if it is jamming up, how can I fix it, depending on what. So you saw that drop. I think it's that little prong right there. See if I can. Oh, okay. So the Gatorade in the front was pushed too far back, so it made that little. It hung, trying to vend the next one and the double sided. Because the guy did say when he vended the next one, when somebody else got a Mountain Dew, it dropped his as well. So I'm finna stop and get that fixed, so I can run into less of that problem. And sometimes you have to push these little tongues down just to make sure they're not sticking up too far, because they'll also hold the bottom of your drinks. Guys, I'm sweating, out of breath. I was going pretty fast trying to restock this next location. Now these are mostly they're all bottles in this machine. This is a Dixie Narco 501E live display. I mostly do Like I said, bottles, I normally keep extra at the bottom. And this location